girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby, you're the best. To give you my love.
out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven said, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I trust my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Alinda Felicia. She gave it me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of L's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind. gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 sports starter. I can't let them down, walk around with my guard. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of.
Mr. Genius Idiot. I love it.
How come a nigga ain't into his prime? Still getting better after all this time. These niggas say that they killin', they lying. Only thing I see him killing is time. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 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 Never pet a rat, never said a lot. Only what need to be said. Got a little guap when you get a lot. Want no bitch till you on red. Don't push me, nigga, my feet on the ledge. This game is like follow the leader. If you looking closely enough, then you'll see that I live. The moves that I made, the people I fed, the evil I ducked. They minds that you people, they lean on their crutch. I'm bleeding from fighting my demons head up. When I get defeated, believe I get up. I come from a city, more niggas ain't heard of them till they popped in my first CD. Now look, I'm on a Mount Rushmore, you niggas can't front no more, bitch. I'm a rain until FEMA show up. Wish I got a ringing like freedom, my duck. Me and J full on my cup, them bullets fly by, that shit sober you up. I'm proud of my niggas, they never switched up. Don't care if it's Michael B. Jordan that's calling my woman the fuck, she ain't gon' never pick up. Sadly, I can't say the same for you niggas. A couple of dollars be changing you niggas. I pray for you niggas, but how come a nigga ain't into his prime? Still getting better after all this time. These niggas say that they killers, they lying. Only thing I see a killing is time. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 100 million, I'm still in the it's not about the money, it's more about time. Shit makes sense when you see how I spend mine. First through the ceiling, I'm feeling sublime. Can't leave the gate, I feel like a prime. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 100 million, I'm still in the How come a nigga ain't into his prime? Still getting better after all this time. These niggas say that they killin', they lying. Only thing I see him killing is time. 100 million, I'm still on the grind. 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 100 million, I'm still. 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 100 million, I'm still.
This is a song for the good girl. We'll be do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. For the good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. And I still keep it real, still treat you like a superstar.
From 8 until late, I think about you. You're on my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say all night, all night. I just wanna say all night, all night. What you heard, all night, all night. All I'm really asking for is you. All night, all night. I just wanna say all night, all night. What you heard, all night, all night. Long as you know who you belong to.
We do it all for a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl. Don't sleep when you know you got a good girl. One time, this is a song for the good girl.
Hi girl, we got a new camera. You guys. I am so excited to be coming back to you guys with a new video and some better quality. Okay, I'm not gonna get into the camera thing right now. We want to focus on this hair. I'll talk about the camera in another video, maybe like a sit down video that I do soon. We'll talk about all of that, but right now, you guys, I wanted to show you guys this new unit that I received from Allove Hair. So shout out to Allove Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous unit because it is so freaking cute. So this is actually a 13x4 straight unit, and I do have it in 28 inches. For reference, I am 5'2", so I'm definitely on the shorter side. So this unit is pretty long on me, but I absolutely love it, you guys. One thing that I really like about this unit right now is the quality. The quality of this hair is so good. And I like the fact that you can actually curl it. Now, at first you guys saw that I had it like in 2 straight like ponytails, but I was like, that's cute, but it's kind of boring. So I wanted to add a little, you know, extra something to it. So I decided to use my Babeless flat iron, this big wide flat iron, you guys, to create like some kind of bump or wave in the ends, just to give it a little something. So that's pretty much what we did there, and I absolutely love this look. I think it's so cute and something fun and different for me. You know, I've been doing a lot of like basic hairstyles lately. I've been doing a lot of like middle parts, a lot of like curly hairs with the bust down. I just wanted to give you guys something youthful and fun, and yeah, this is pretty much what I came up with today. So I've worked with Allove hair in the past, and you know, they have like, you know, pretty decent hair. You know, I'm not mad at it, but I would say today I was highly impressed. They have completely upgraded their quality, just like your girl, okay? They definitely upgraded the quality of their hair. This is some of the best like straight hair that I've received in a while. Like, I'm being 100 with y'all right now. Like, this is some of the best that I've received in quite some time. And I receive a lot of units, y'all know this. So I touch a lot of units, and I kind of know by now what's like mediocre versus what's actually like high quality. And this is very good quality. I love the luster to it, although speaking of luster, I did use 2 products in this unit to like help it give it even more of a shine and to also protect the hair. It's very important that whenever you're using any type of hot tools that you use heat protectant spray throughout your entire unit, because if you don't, my hot tools get up to 500 degrees. 500 degrees, you're definitely gonna fry your hair if you don't put some type of heat protectant on it. And this hair is so silky straight, you guys. I absolutely loved it. It was so flowy, so bomb. Like, I just can't wait to like go out and like wear this unit. But to give my hair some extra protection, I used this heat protectant spray by Icy Fantasia, and I also used the BioSilk Silk Therapy as well. This is what that looks like, you guys. This is like an OG thing. I actually got this, you guys, at TJ Maxx Home Goods for like, let me see how much it was, $20. This normally retails for $40 because this is the big one. But yeah, absolutely love it. And this is how great the hair looks like up close and personal. Okay, very beautiful. Very beautiful. Like, you can kind of see, like, it's just very smooth, it's silky. When it comes to straight hair, not everybody has good straight hair. A lot of people have straight hair, but not a lot of people have good quality, okay? And this is definitely gonna give quality. I mean, it's just gorgeous. Like, it's just a no-brainer to me. I don't even know how many times I've worked with them at this point, but out of all of the units that I've ever received from them, this one has surprised me the most. And I was actually surprised that it was from this company, because I thought it was from a different company. Because this is another company that I know of that usually gives me like really good quality straight hair. This one right here, they wasn't playing no games. I guess they was like, 2023, we up in the quality. We're gonna be selling good quality units. And you know, I hope you guys, when you order this, you get the same quality I do, because I know there are some companies out there that do send YouTubers, you know, the really good quality hair because that's what they want to promote. But when they sell the units, they give people like mid hair. So hopefully that's not the case with Allove. But I mean, look at the, I'm just coming up closer so y'all can really see what it's giving, okay? I guess the only con that I'm having right now is the lace. Like, the lace could be a little bit better, but honestly, I feel like the lace is that way because of my application. Using the products that I used, you know, it didn't really melt that well. And then I had went in with like some hairspray off camera to try to get it to melt more. And I don't know if that helped or made it worse. I'm not really sure, but I do wish that the lace was just a little bit better. But other than that, I do like it. As far as customizing goes, I did bleach the knots in this unit, and I also plucked the unit as well. I did use some makeup for the lace today because, you guys, I ordered some more lace tint spray. Tell me why they sent me light beige. light beige. So if I have any lighter complexion, you know, followers out there, please hit me up because I have some lace tint spray for you. It's 3 bottles of it. I need to give it away to somebody because I cannot use it, and they don't accept returns, exchanges, or anything like that. So I'm pretty much stuck with 3 cans of lace tint spray that I can't even use. So yeah, if you need that, hit me up. I got you. But yeah, I'm gonna stand up one more time for you guys so you guys can see where this hair is hitting me in the front. Like I told you guys, for reference, I am 5'2", so I'm a shorty, but this is a 28-inch unit, okay? And I curled it, so this is where it's hitting me in the front. Okay, and then let's go on to the back. And this is the back. Like, even if you want to have the hair in the back and then have these 2 pieces in the front, you could do this as well. It's just, I love this look. I really love this look because I was able to have some fun with it. Yeah. Girl, they trying to get somebody, you hear them? You going to jail. You going to jail. Have y'all seen that video on TikTok? And I think it's a Desi Banks video. And he's like, you going to jail. You going to jail. We're going to have to start singing that song when we hear these helicopters. Like, girl, it's literally like 2 o'clock in the morning right now. I know y'all probably don't believe me, but that's the time and the date. 2:12 a.m. So with that being said, I want to give a big thanks to our sponsor, Allove Hair, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous 28-inch unit. And of course, I have to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. Let me know how y'all feel about the quality, because we upgraded the quality in 2023. Yeah. So yeah, definitely upgrading the quality. Definitely gonna be giving you guys more content videos, and I'm really excited about everything that this year has to offer. But we're starting it off the right way, and I just want to thank all of you beautiful people for supporting me thus far. You guys have been supporting me for years at this point. You guys have definitely seen my highs, my lows, my everything, and I just wanted to thank you guys for just being there and trusting in your girl with these amazing hair videos, because I don't care. People don't watch hair videos like that, but y'all watch my hair videos, and as long as y'all watching, I'm gonna keep posting them, period, okay? And with that being said, I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.